Hey, good morning, sir. It's Jack here at Firelands Chevrolet Buick. Hey, I left you a message earlier. I just want to send you a real quick video of the two bolts that we had here, and we bought them. I can get you one, whatever you would like, whatever trim level, color combination, charging options. Give me a buzz directly on my cell phone at 440-829-0272. They're charging up right now. This one's mine. Nick got the black one. They're super spacious inside. I love it. Kind of a fun color for an electric car especially. And then this is Nick's. I don't know if he leaves his unlocked. Yep. Again, Jack Laraway, Firelands Chevrolet Buick, 440-829-0272. Here to answer any and all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to working with you soon. Have a great day. Bye.